Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn about two important things in English, the simple present and the simple past. These help you talk about what you do every day and what you did before. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's go! Let's read a fun story together. Pay attention to the words in bold. These are the verbs or action words that we will talk about. Every weekend, Anna goes to the park with her friends. She loves the swings and the merry-go-round. They play together all afternoon. But last Saturday, something different happened. Anna went to the amusement park with her family. She rode the roller coaster and ate ice cream. It was so much fun. Okay, let's talk about the verbs from our story. We use two types of verbs, simple present and simple past. The simple present is for things we do all the time, like every day or every week. Look at these examples. Anna goes to the park every weekend. She loves the swings. We use the simple present to talk about habits or things that are always true. When we talk about he, she, or it, we add an "as" to the verb, like goes or loves. Simple past. Now, the simple past talks about things that happened before, like yesterday or last week. In the story, we said, last Saturday, Anna went to the amusement park. She rode the roller coaster. These things already happened, so we use the simple past. For many verbs, we add "ed" like played, but some verbs are special, like went and rode. These are called irregular verbs. Now it's your turn to practice. I'm going to show you some sentences. You need to choose the right verb form. Simple present or simple past. Ready? Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb. Write down your answers. Let's see how many you can get right. All right, let's check your answers. 1. Every Sunday I go to the park. Simple present. And last Saturday we rode the roller coaster. Simple past. 3. She always plays with her friends after school. Simple present. 4. Yesterday they ate ice cream at the park. Simple past. Great job! Remember, we use simple present for things we do often and simple past for things we did before. Keep practicing and it will get easier. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to use the simple present and simple past when you talk about your day or your weekend. See you next time for more English fun.